Why I decided to lose weight, 3 minutes. For years, I struggled with belly fat, low energy, and feeling tired all the time. I tried skipping meals, taking fancy fat burners, even starving myself, but nothing worked. One day I said, enough, I'll make small, simple changes that actually fit into my life. And that decision changed everything. Part 2. The real secret, calorie deficit made easy. 4 minutes. Everyone says calorie deficit, but what does that mean for beginners? It means burn more than you eat. Not starving, but making smart swaps. Here's how I did it. No sugary drinks, replaced with lemon water or green tea. Portion control, used a small plate at every meal. High protein intake, eggs, chicken, lentils, made me full longer. 30-minute fasted morning walk, jump-started my metabolism every day. I still ate rice, chapati, and even homemade snacks, but smaller portions. So remember, eat smart, not less. Part 3. My simple daily routine. 10 minutes morning, 7 a.m., 2 glasses of warm lemon water, detox plus metabolism booster. 30-minute brisk walking, fasted state equals more fat burn. Breakfast, 8:30 a.m., 2 boiled eggs or oatmeal with fruits. Black coffee/green tea. Mid-morning, 11 a.m., 10-minute stretching plus 1 apple. Lunch, 1 p.m., grilled chicken/lentils, salad, cucumber, tomatoes, carrots, 1 small chapati or half cup brown rice. Evening snack, 4 p.m., green tea plus handful of almonds or roasted chickpeas. Workout, 6 p.m., more on this below. Dinner, 7:30 p.m., grilled paneer/chicken, steamed vegetables. Before bed, 9 p.m., warm turmeric milk or green tea. Sleep by 10:30 p.m., very important. Part 4. My easy 20-minute home workout routine, 15 minutes. No gym, no equipment. Jumping jacks, 1 minute. Body weight squats, 15 reps. Knee push-ups, 10 reps. Plank, 30 seconds. Lunges, 10 reps per leg. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. High knees, 1 minute. Repeat this circuit 3 times. This burns fat, builds strength, and improves stamina, all in 20 minutes. Part 5. My diet mistakes I fixed, 5 minutes. I used to make these mistakes, and maybe you are too. Skipping meals slows metabolism. Eating low-fat or diet processed food, full of sugar. Drinking juice instead of whole fruits, less fiber, more sugar. No sleep, stress causes fat storage. When I fixed these, results came fast. Part 6. Mindset and motivation, 3 minutes. Honestly, motivation dies, discipline stays. I made a chart. Day 1. Walk 30 minutes. Day 2. Drink 3 liters water. Day 3. 20 minutes workout. Small daily wins. Big fat loss. I also watched transformation videos daily for motivation. Maybe like this one. Believe me, it works. Part 7.